Researchers from Oversecured have uncovered 1,575 security vulnerabilities in 10 popular Android mental health apps with a combined 14.7 million installs. These flaws affect apps handling sensitive data on depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, mood logs, and self-harm notes. High-severity bugs, totaling 54 across the apps, could allow hackers to steal therapy records and authentication tokens through issues like URI parsing errors and insecure local storage. Oversecured founder Sergey Toshin warns that such mental health data fetches over 1,000 per record on the dark web, far exceeding the value of credit card details. Additional risks stem from outdated software. Weak cryptography using insecure random number generators, exposed Firebase URLs, and a complete lack of root detection, leaving data exposed on compromised devices. While no critical vulnerabilities were found, most apps remain unpatched since late 2025. Industry experts urge users to review app permissions carefully, with developers expected to roll out urgent fixes in the coming weeks.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.